Yo, what's going on YouTube? Lewis of the Wear Your Kicks channel. We're back again for a special unboxing of what is inside of this Nike SB box right here. Yes sir, hit these on the sneakers app and they came in. Finally doing my review. The Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Quick Strikes Gym Red, University Red, multi-color guys. Size 12 in my size. Let's go ahead and pop the lid open, and the first thing you see when you go ahead and open this up is picture there of those ruby red slippers, guys. Yeah, man. These are the Wizard of Oz SBs. Very happy to have these. I almost didn't actually go for them and kind of got to the point where I was like, man, the more and more I saw these, the more and more I started to like them. I said, let me go ahead, get them in hand, and then make a decision as to whether or not I was going to keep them. But once you do open the box here, you got this bag, black bag, and it says Wizard of Oz on it with Nike SB. And they also hit us with some extra insole foot padding here. And here you go. Here's a picture there of the Wicked Witch of the West, and then one of her minions. Not sure what they're even called, but you do have these snowflakes also there on the back. And shout out to my guy Jay Elevate for letting us know that this symbolizes the snow that fell on them that woke them up when they were in that deep sleep, coincidentally in the field. In any case, we also have this little Nike SB sticker that usually kind of comes in there. Let me get it a little close. Maybe you can kind of see that. But enough of this, enough of the box, right? We're gonna go into what is here inside of the bag, guys. And if you're liking this video so far, please smash that like button for your boy. All right, let's go ahead, open this up. There is an area here that you can go ahead and pull on to open these. Let me be oh so careful with this. Boom, got him. All right, let's go ahead, take these shoes out. All right, here we go. The Nike SB Dunk Wizard of Oz. Now, this is not the first time they've done a Wizard of Oz shoe. I'll give you a pick here. And what we actually saw initially was supposed to be some rendition of like the ruby red slippers in the form of a Nike SB Dunk Low silhouette. Unfortunately, that's not what they gave us. And for the videos and pictures we've seen out there as to what is under this tearaway material that you can remove there, we know that it's not shiny red either. It's kind of a muted kind of nubuck red. But let's just go over some of the features here of the shoe. There on the right shoe here, you got Nike SB on the tongue, and it looks like here behind the tongue it does say the Wizard of Oz there. You can see the Nike imprinted tag at the top, and then it does say no place like home coming through the material. Also, you have the poppy field, basically, as you can see here all around the shoe. That's the material that's on here. We got red laces, red tongue, red sock liner, and we actually do have a graphic here on the insole foot pad. So we don't get extra set of laces, we do get an extra set of insole foot pads with some cool graphics on them. Let me go ahead and get the left shoe insole foot pad out as well, and taking a quick look at them. So okay, so it's a mirror image actually of the same thing, and I'll go ahead and show you guys here. It looks like they're cooking something in the pot, and the pot does say Nike SB there on the side, and you also get snowflakes here on the back. Now, if we go ahead and take a look at the left shoe, okay, it does say Wizard of Oz on the tongue on the outside of the left shoe, and then here on the inside it says Nike SB, which is the reverse of what they did here on the right shoe. So that's a nice little detail. And again, didn't get an extra set of laces. I could see you throwing like yellow laces in here, maybe black, maybe white. I don't know. Let me know down in the comment section below what kind of lace swaps you think would actually go there with the shoe. Besides yellow, I couldn't necessarily think of anything that would go better with these. But as far as this material is concerned, I'm taking a close look at it here, and I thought maybe it would be something that's a little easier to maybe cut, because I thought about cutting these for the video, but I think it's actually gonna take some more time than I thought, because it actually is very tight to the shoe itself, and so I would have to be extra careful trying to do this. So let me know down in the comment section below where you guys think I should actually remove material, or should I keep the material on there? Let me know, guys. And what do you think overall about the Nike SB Wizard of Oz sneakers? Are they a hit? Are they a pass? Retail on these was $135. Again, it was a quick strike collaboration. Very happy to go ahead and hit on these, and I like these a lot better now that I have them in hand, because I was somewhat like so on them, and they were growing on me like I said earlier, but now that I got them in hand, yeah, these are definitely staying with me. Please smash the like button like I asked you guys earlier, man, if you're enjoying this video. And if you are new to my channel, appreciate you stopping through. Make sure you hit that subscriber button and click that notification bell so you can be notified every time I drop one of these videos. This is Lewis of the Wear Your Kicks channel, reminding you to be true, stay in the moment, and don't forget, every day is a great day to wear your kicks. And we are out.